welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie, with me as always is Mookie. Wait a second, this isn't Mookie. Got the wrong damn dog. This is Badger, he lives a couple cabins down. Alright, you can sit in for Mookie. We got a great show. I'm going to make some duck tacos for Appies with Chappie by the lake. First up, we're going to do an Idonis. What do you say, Badge? Alright, I'm going to let Badge go. He'll be sniffing around for those duck tacos a little later. Alright, so here we go with an Idonis Cocktail. Got some ice, 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, and a ½ ounce of apricot brandy. We'll give that a shake. And into my daiquiri glass it goes. And I got a nice little umbrella. And that is an Idonis to go with my duck tacos. Coming up next, we got Appies with Chappie by the lake. Alright, we're going to make some duck tacos. I got some corn tortilla. Got my beautiful duck meat. Go a little bit of cilantro. Some nice ripe tomato. Some pickled onion. A little bit of red kidney beans. And some lime wedges for garnish. And those are my duck tacos. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. This is Badger. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. What's that, Badger? Badger says life is hard, that's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.